Alright, so this is about a month worth of growth. This has already been cut. All this right here. This came out of just this little thing right here. You can see where the light is shining. That hasn't been cut yet. Have I been dosing? Yeah, I have been dosing a little bit of phosphorus once or twice. I think twice. No CO2 or filter. I have a filter, but there's no sponge in it, just for circulation. And I was trying to cut it strategically so it looked good, but I mean, just look at all these. Look at this. I can't. I mean, I can't even. So I just started taking scissors to it and just started slicing through because. And I'll go through the plants and I'll save what I want to save, but there's just too many. It's too many plants. Sorry, guys. But, so yeah. There you go. That's about a month worth of growth there.